Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how to make this adorable crochet cat stitch. It is perfect for this gorgeous fall weather we're having, and it makes a very festive scarf or sweater for Halloween. Even my cat was in love with this pattern. I hope you like it as much as we do. Let's get started! I will be using 3 different colors of yarn for this project. All are a medium weight acrylic yarn. You'll definitely want to use contrasting colors so that the cat in this pattern pops out, and bonus points if you use Halloween colors like these. The hook I'm using today is a 4.25mm crochet hook. If you want your stitches to be tighter, then you can use a smaller hook. Or if you prefer them to be a bit looser, you can size up your crochet hook as well. Lastly, you'll want to have a pair of scissors handy and a tapestry needle for weaving in loose ends. Start out by making a slip knot. There are many ways to make a slip knot, but this is the one I always use. Next, we are going to chain 30. For this pattern, we will be working in multiples of 5. So if you want to lengthen your project, be sure that the total number of stitches in this first chain is divisible by 5. Once we have our 30 stitches, we are going to skip 3 stitches and double crochet into the 4th stitch from our hook. The first 3 stitches that we skipped will count as a double crochet. Next, we are going to skip 4 stitches and into the 5th stitch, create a shell by doing 2 double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochets. Continuing in this way all along the first chain 30 we made, create shells by skipping 4 stitches and doing 2 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet into that 5th stitch. When there are 6 stitches remaining, skip 4 and double crochet into the last 2 remaining stitches from round 1. And that's it for round 2. We now have our base rounds completed for our cat stitch. And we're ready to move on to round 3. To begin the next round, we will chain 3, turn our work, and then double crochet into the next stitch. Working into the chain 1 spaces, we will create shells in each chain 1 space across the previous row. And remember, to make a shell, you will do 2 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet, all in the same stitch. Finish the round by double crocheting into each of the last 2 stitches. Now we're ready to fasten off the first color and switch to purple. Join with a slip stitch to the last double crochet of the previous round. Chain 3, turn your work, and double crochet into the next stitch. The next part is a little tricky, so feel free to watch this part again if you need to. We are going to use a special stitch called the extended double crochet 2 together to create the paws and ears of our cat. So Start by yarning over and going back to the first row of shells. Insert your hook in between that first gap and pull up a loop. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over and going back into the same space, pull up another loop. You should now have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through 3 loops, and then yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. And that is the extended double crochet 2 together that is quintessential to the cat stitch. Next, we'll create a shell in the next chain 1 space. Then we'll do another extended double crochet 2 together between the next 2 shells. And we'll repeat this pattern across the row. When you get to the last shell, do 1 more extended 2 double crochet together. Then double crochet into the last 2 stitches. Now you can see our cat ears starting to take form. For the next 2 rows, we will repeat the same pattern from round 3. So, chain 3, turn your work, double crochet into the next stitch, and then make shells across in all the chain 1 spaces, finishing the round with double crochets in the last 2 stitches. At the end of round 6, fasten off your yarn. The next color I'm using is this nice deep purple. Join your work with a slip stitch to the last stitch of the previous round. This row will be a repeat of round 4, where we used extended double crochet 2 together across to create our cat ears and cat paws. So, begin by chaining 3 and double crocheting into the next stitch. Then extended 2 double crochet together, and then a shell in the chain 1 space. And we'll repeat across. And that's it for the crochet cat stitch. Continue the pattern by repeating rows 3 through 5 for the rest of your project. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I really hope this helps you learn the cat stitch and create whatever amazing project idea you have. If you liked this video, feel free to check out my channel for other crochet tutorials. Please let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I would be happy to help. I hope you have a beautiful day, and thanks so much for stopping by. Take care.